There's breaking news coming in. Big announcement by Aviation Ministry. All senior citizens of Indian nationality and permanently residing in India get Air India flight tickets at half the price for travel within India. All Indians above 60 years of age to get 50% concession in the ticket fare. That's a big concession coming in right there. It's good news coming in for senior citizens. Big announcement by the Aviation Ministry. All the senior citizens of Indian nationality and permanently residing in India to get Air India flight tickets at half the price for travel domestically within India. And all the Indians above 60 years of age will be getting 50% concession in ticket fare. It's a bumper discount coming in right when there are talks rife about Air India getting bids for a sellout, for a disinvestment. There are companies that are bidding, wanting to buy Air India, and at that point of time, Air India has announced this bumper discount. The Civil Aviation Ministry announcing this Air India discount at the moment. It is breaking news coming in at this point of time on the senior citizen concession for the Air India flight tickets. And it's a scheme where you can avail air tickets at a cheaper price if you're a senior citizen or if you're above 50 years of age.
Hello everyone, this is Rahul Kamal here. Hope you enjoyed this video. For the latest news and analysis, like and subscribe the India Today YouTube channel and don't forget to press the bell icon to stay updated.